Here we have the Denon DRM-800. This is a client machine, a customer machine. He told me he bought it. It came out of a place where a lot of people were smoking. So I think we all know what we can expect from this one. It's gonna be probably dirty as heck. Not sure what else we will encounter. I have a service kit with belts and everything for it, so we're gonna replace those. Let's first see if counter works, left and right works, sound works, play, forward, reverse. I'm not going to record over this tape, but we can try that as well. Inside is very, very dirty. So we'll take the transport out and see what else we'll encounter. I will clean this one, so I'll probably take, the front panel off, take the cassette holder out, clean it, IPA, everything like that. So let's start opening this deck up, take all the components off, clean it, and see what else we can find. Now, I've only done 2 or 3 of these in the last decades, so if I don't quite remember how they work, seems to be a very nice transport here. Belt seems to be intact, so that's good. Needs a good clean. Okay, so let's take it apart, service it, clean it, and we'll take it from there. So you can see it a little bit. Yeah, that's good. There it is. Okay, found the belts, and I just did a little bit of going back in time. What the owner said is that the tape unspools, that the right take-up reel doesn't turn, and then the tape comes out because it doesn't get spooled up. So let's first replace the belts. Think, if I remember correctly, the whole rear comes out, and then we can replace those. So take the cassette front off, the holder. Let's take the screws out of the side, give us a little bit more wiggle room. Here's one. Here's 2. By the way, the same customer also gave me a Akai GX32 for repair, so we'll do that one as well soon. Now I have a little bit more room. Take the sides off. Now the side pins have little rollers on them, so we shouldn't lose those. Take the spring away. This one, let me get the little roller. Okay, there's the cassette holder, and here are the little things. There's the little spring. This goes on here. This side, I don't know, we'll figure out. It came from this side, so that is this way. And the other part sat in here, so this is where it goes. Okay. One screw, 2, 3, 4. Let me first take this one. Come on. There we go. Here. There we go. I need to clean and oil the capstan, so we're gonna have to take the plate off. There we go, with a little bit more space. Okay, so we got one belt. That's quite deformed. We got another belt. That's also quite hard and dirty. And then we have the flywheels. With a spring and a washer. I'm sure we have something similar on this side. A spring and a washer. Okay. Let me grab my pipe cleaner and we'll clean the bearings. IPA, Oh, the capstans are really, really dirty. I don't know if you can see that. I'll give them a good clean. Look. Those haven't been cleaned in a long, long time. Let me see if I can find some better cleaning stuff for the flywheel. Let's do this one, IPA. Yeah, same stuff. You know, it's okay. Well, that's clean again. Well, that cleaned it up. Let's do the other one. Let me put the washer back before we lose it. Spring. Take them off here. Oil on the capstan. Oil on this capstan. Good. Belt. 2 new belts. 74 mil and 53.5 mil. And the second one goes on top because that goes to the motor there. And we will do that later. Let's slide this back. Okay. Let me check something first, because there is a lever there. This lever needs to go in there. Not an easy transport. It's probably easier if I take this one off and should be able to see. Yeah, okay. Can I put that in later? Should be able to. Yeah. Okay. No. I don't think so. Okay. Oh yes, I'm debating. There is space here, right? Not a whole lot, but not enough. Okay. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay. Two more. And one here. Let me check the camera. Yep. Now the command motor was held here. Like so. It is on top. Oh, that comes later. This one first. Let me first put that one in. That's the one I needed to put in. Now put the pot back. Like So now I think this should slide in. Yep. There's another one. Okay, and one of my, oh, here it is. Little screws got away. Okay. Now, the customer said that sometimes the take-up reel doesn't work. So there's probably a rubber idler wheel under here. I think I'm gonna have to remove this little PCB. So let's do that. Where's my other screwdriver? Maybe this works. Oh. No. This one. Yep. Yeah, and there's the idler. Let's first use a little bit of IPA. Clean it up. And you can see the idler right here. And I don't think I can do this with the transport in place. And if this doesn't work, we can figure something else out later. Because the rubber looks good. It's just dirty. We'll test the take-up torque later on. That works nicely. Put those back a little bit. That one back a little bit. This one back in its place. There's a brake. Okay, pinch rollers will do inside the machine. Just give this a little. Oil. Okay, that works. Clean this one. Man, that's dirty. Does it come apart? It should. Springs in there. Most likely Yep. Okay. Let me find Okay, let's put the cassette holder back into place. First, this one, spring, and let's loosen up the lower two screws a little bit. So I have a little bit more space. Yeah. Oh, let me take off the plunger. We can put that on later. Oops. Now I lost one of the little plastikies. There he is. Let's do this side first. Come on. Think. That's one side. Let's do the other side. Okay. Let's put the spring back on. Like so. Push this back in place. Oh, spring is back. Come on. Okay. Now the plunger. Open it up. Back on. That works. And now the spring. That one back. the other one back. Take this one out because that's where the spring was. Like so. Okay, let's clean the front panel. And just hold it front. Yep, Hey. Okay, so as you can see, we do have lights. That one is a little bit loose still. That one opens. Put a tape in. That works. That's promising. It runs. That runs. Let me feel. Which one is it? Yeah, the take up is quite good. I don't feel any dead spots either. Other way. Yeah, that's equally strong. Play. Yeah. So let's put it all back together and we will do some adjusting. Azimuth, speed, play level, rec level, the whole shebang. You know, it's a 3-head deck, so that's going to be easy. Just use the tape monitor switch. And we'll see how that goes. By the way, I will do that on the other bench probably because, should I? Partly. I think. Okay, let me put the deck back together and we'll start doing adjusting. So we have the deck here in front of us. As you can see in the top, which one shall we do? Left hand corner. Let me move this a little bit. You can see my test. As you can see here, where are we? There. The frequency is 3227. This is a tape that should, 3150. So the deck is running really fast. So we're gonna have to adjust that. On the back of the motor there's a little hole. So we'll stick our screwdriver in there. Ceramic screwdriver. And we'll adjust the speed. And there it goes. Almost. Okay. So 3155. What is the wow and flutter? Yeah, 0.05 on this tape. Let's try my own tape. Okay, so the speed is good. Wow and flutter is good. 0.04. Speed is exactly on. Yep. I'll check. I have a little mirror cassette. Oh, can you see that? And this is to check the tape path, so I'll do that as well. Yeah, oh, I realized I forgot to clean the pinch rollers. Next step, according to the service manual, is the playback levels, and I just looked it up. RT 101 and 201. RT 101 and 201, these two. So let's put the tape in. That's a little bit too much. Let's lower that so we can see what's actually going on. Almost the same. Right. The meters are the same. They're not quite 100% the same, so let's adjust the right channel a little bit. Okay, there we are. Okay, that's good. Meters are still the same. Now that we have the play level, let's do the record level. This is the source, so let's put it on tape, and you can see there's a difference between source and tape. This is a 400 Hz tone, so we're going to make those equal. There. there. Okay. Let's switch to 10 kilohertz. It is a little bit. Ten kilohertz. There we go. Let's make it equal. Okay. Play, record, tape. Okay, that's a little bit much. Let's see if we can get those better with the bias adjustments. There's one. There's the other. Now let's do some pink noise and see what that looks like. This is the source. This is the tape. Green drops off a little bit, so that is the left channel. See if we can do something there. No, not much. Okay. Okay. Now let's do a frequency sweep. Oh, I know what you recognize this. Okay, let's do -20 for a quick check. And -6. There's some little bumps in there, I think that's a tape. Okay. So, belts replaced, speed adjusted, levels adjusted. I'll put the 2 feet on, clean the cover, and I think we're done. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.